Microfiber upholstery needs regular, careful attention to stay free of fingerprints and oil marks. Treat microfiber like delicate fabric, vacuum weekly using a soft brush attachment, and move in the direction of the nap to lift dirt without crushing fibers. For daily touch-ups, use a slightly damp microfiber cloth wiped lightly across the surface rather than scrubbing. Rinse and wring the cloth frequently so you are only applying minimal moisture. When you must remove an oily spot, first blot with a dry cloth to absorb as much oil as possible. Then apply a tiny amount of mild dish soap diluted in water to the damp cloth and dab the stain from the outside toward the center to avoid spreading. Avoid overwetting because excess water can leave rings or cause the backing to swell. And if the upholstery has a cleaning code, test any cleaner in an inconspicuous area first. For sticky or set stains, consider using a soft nylon brush after the spot is treated, brushing gently along the nap to restore texture, and then allow to air dry fully with good air circulation. Finally, rotate cushions and flip removable covers periodically so wear and oil buildup is distributed evenly. Common mistakes people make include scrubbing vigorously, which flattens fibers and creates shiny spots. So stop scrubbing and switch to blotting and gentle dabbing with minimal moisture. Another issue is overwetting the fabric, which can cause water stains and backing damage. So always use a barely damp cloth and dry thoroughly by blotting and air movement. A third frequent problem is using harsh cleaners or bleach that strip finishes and change color, so stick to mild soap and water, test first, and consult the manufacturer for recommended products. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for upholstery cleaning and repair, and helps contractors find new work and connect with potential clients. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share maintenance tips and real-world experiences.